How to redirect a domain in Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on how to redirect a domain in Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to forward your domain to a new website or email address. Redirecting a domain is a useful technique for maintaining your online presence even if you're switching to a new hosting provider or website. To get started, log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the Domain section. From there, select the domain you want to redirect and click on the Redirect tab. You'll see a drop-down menu with various redirect options, including permanent and temporary redirects. For a permanent redirect, select the Permanent option and enter the URL of the new website or email address you want to redirect to. You can also specify a custom redirect message, which will be displayed to visitors who try to access the original URL. To set up a temporary redirect, select the Temporary option and enter the URL of the new website or email address. This type of redirect is useful for testing or promoting a new website without affecting your current online presence. Once you've set up your redirect, click Save to apply the changes. Make sure to test your redirect by visiting the original URL to ensure it's working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hosting and website management tips. Don't forget to like this video if you have any questions or need further assistance with redirecting your domain in Hostinger.